Civil Service Exam Reviewer. Comprehension. Many cities have begun replacing traditional streetlights with LED systems. These newer lights use far less electricity and last significantly longer. Although the initial installation cost is higher, city officials argue that long-term savings outweigh the upfront expense. This paragraph best supports the statement that A. LED streetlights are cheaper to install than traditional ones. B. LED streetlights help cities save money in the long run. C. Most cities do not care about lighting costs. D. LED streetlights are unpopular with city officials. The correct answer is letter B. LED streetlights help cities save money in the long run. The passage emphasizes long-term savings despite higher upfront costs. Did you get it right?